Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Volkswagen Crafter panel van. Like all our vehicles, this van has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months. Plus, you get the roadside assistance package for the first year with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also applied a triple layer of Guardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is painted in Arctic white and has undergone an extensive exterior conversion. It's the Trendline trim level but comes with color-coded front bumpers with parking sensors, Romac alloys in 16 inches painted in gloss black, color-coded electrically adjustable and heated mirrors. Then going over to the rear, you have the color-coded rear bumper and trim, parking sensors fitted over the width of the rear bumper, and barn-style opening doors. While going over to the curb side, you have the sliding door. Let's take a look at the boot now. As you can see at the back, you have full wood ply lining and a full metal bulkhead. The ply lining extends also to the doors, and you have obviously an interior handle. Box wheel arches housings to get an even shape of the cargo bay, and then you have 4 anchorage points on this side, and then 6 more over the flooring to there, and 2 more at the edge of the bulkhead. Size-wise, you have 131 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 192 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, and then an extensive 411 centimeters of fully usable space, edge to edge, over the cargo. Let's take a look into the cabin. Once you access the cabin, you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent and fully adjustable driver's seat fitted with lumbar support, and an armrest which is adjustable in height through this dial, and then a 2-seat bench for the passengers. Over the dashboard you have multiple storage solutions, a 12-volt port over to the left, some more storage space, and cup holders. The steering wheel column is adjustable in height and depth. And then you have 2 analog clocks and a digital trip computer. Over to the left side of the steering wheel you have the lighting spoke. And over the left spoke you have the cruise control and infotainment volume settings. While over to the right you have the wiper stalk, the infotainment, voice commands and trip computer controls. And then just over here you have the dial to adjust the height of the beam and the lighting dial. Over the armrest you get the controls for the heated electric mirrors and the power windows. The infotainment unit is a Volkswagen Connect, fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through USB-C cable. Also you have Bluetooth, DAB radio as well. Underneath you have the AC controls and the center locking unit, start and stop toggle. And also you can toggle the traction control and the parking sensors. Then in the storage solution just beside the gear shift you have the 2 USB Type-C ports, and this vehicle is fitted with a 6-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Volkswagen Crafter panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.